The purpose of this video is to explain how the playground version of the AF Audit Engine works. We created the playground to provide potential users of the AF Audit Tool with an opportunity to have a hands-on use of the software. The playground version of the software has only a small selection of the functionality that we provide in the AF Audit Tool itself. We hope that by watching the video and then using the playground, you'll get a feel for how the tool can be used to improve the age-friendliness of an organisation's customer touchpoints. We'll begin by keying in the username and password. This is the screen you will see once you have successfully entered the username and password. By pressing Playground, it will take you to the project screen. We have created a single project called the AF Playground. The full version of the software can handle hundreds of projects. This project consists of 4 audits. Each of these is for the countries shown. There are no limit to the number of audits that could be assigned to a project. There are no limit to the number of auditors that could be working on an audit. In this case, we have assigned 1 auditor. You are able to try any of the software's features. However, some of them have been disabled. For instance, you cannot delete a project, an audit, or an auditor, or use any of the output options. If you want to learn about any of the tool's functionality, then we'd be delighted to arrange a full demonstration. These are 2 suggestions of the functionality you might want to investigate, but please explore any part of the software tool. An audit consists of a set of questions that have been selected to measure the age-friendliness of a brand, a product, or a company. These questions are selected from the AF Audit Tool's question database. There are over 200 questions in the database and more are being added to evaluate new types of touchpoints. Let's look at the Australian audits questions. The questions are grouped into 5 experiences. Each experience can be expanded into its constituent sub-experiences, and each of these into individual touchpoints. You can explore this experience, sub-experience and touchpoint structure to see how it works. As you'll see, we are only displaying a small part of the database. You can investigate the way the auditor created data is managed. Let's look at the data from the auditor who has input the data in Japan. But beware, what you see when using the playground might not be the same as in this video because other playground users may have altered the input. The actual system has an autosave function. All of the data will have been entered by the auditor using the AF Audit Tool iPad app. The iPad automatically uploads the data for manipulation and analysis using this software. The scores can be changed. Comments can be added to the scores. New image files can be uploaded. There are a few things to remember before you start using the playground. The easiest way to navigate the software is to use the breadcrumbs at the top of the screen. To make it easier for you to quickly use the tool, much of the functionality has been removed or disengaged in this playground version. But remember, the purpose of this experience is to give you a feel for the software, not to make you an expert in its use. Please contact us with your questions. We'd really like an opportunity to tell you more about this unique age-friendly auditing tool. We hope this demonstration tool will give you a flavour of the great power and the facility of the age-friendly audit system. Enjoy using the playground.